For this stitch we need multiple of 2 plus 1 for symmetry, and here I custom these stitches 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9 stitches. 2, 2, 2, 2, just 1 for symmetry. First row we slip 1 and purl 1. This one yarn in the back of the loop we slip, purl 1, yarn in the back we slip, purl 1, yarn in the back we slip, and this one we just purl for symmetry, and this one we purl for edge. So this is our first row. So second row we slip 1, yarn in front of the stitch we slip this one and knit 1, yarn in front of the stitch we slip 1, knit 1, yarn in front of the stitch we slip 1, knit 1, yarn in front of the stitch we slip 1, and this one we just purl for edge. So these 2 rows we repeat all the time, and this is how stitches will be looks like. Tutorial I will show how to knit this stitch. Here just 2 rows for repeat. This is really so good, so beautiful stitch, simple and beautiful.